In today's video, we will be comparing two high-performance motherboards designed for AMD's Ryzen 7000 series processors, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE. Both motherboards offer impressive features, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your next build. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A features a robust 12+2 power stage design, which provides excellent power delivery for stable performance, especially during overclocking. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE utilizes a twin 12+2+2 phase design, which also aims to enhance stability and efficiency. Both designs have their strengths, but the choice may depend on your specific use case and performance needs. When it comes to thermal management, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A is known for its aggressive heatsink design, which helps keep temperatures low during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE also boasts an excellent thermal design, ensuring efficient cooling through its layout and heat sinks. Both motherboards are built to handle high-performance tasks, but the aesthetics and effectiveness may vary based on user preference. One significant difference between these two motherboards is the warranty period. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes with a standard 3-year warranty, while the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE offers an extended 5-year warranty. This longer warranty can provide peace of mind for users concerned about longevity and reliability, especially for high-performance builds. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE are excellent choices for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs. Whether you prioritize power delivery, thermal management, or warranty, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.